Today I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Gumtree. This is a useful feature if you're dealing with unwanted messages or spam from other users on the platform. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open your browser and navigate to gumtree.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving to the next step, as you'll need full access to your messaging features. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Messages. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your Gumtree inbox, where all your conversations with other users are stored. The page might take a moment to load depending on how many messages you have, so give it a second. Now you'll see a list of all your conversations. Browse through and find the person you want to block. This could be someone who's been sending you spam or unwanted messages. Once you've located their conversation, click on it to open the full message thread. This step is important because you need to access the specific conversation to block that particular user. With the conversation now open, look toward the top of the text field where you type your messages. You'll notice an option that says More Options. Click on this to reveal additional actions you can take within this conversation. These options give you greater control over how you manage your interactions on Gumtree. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Block. Click on it. This action tells Gumtree that you want to prevent this user from contacting you further. It's a straightforward way to manage your privacy and ensure you're only communicating with people you want to hear from. After clicking Block, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Gumtree's way of making sure you really want to go through with blocking this user, as it's a significant action. Review the message to confirm you've selected the right person, then click Block again to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Gumtree, and they will no longer be able to send you messages or contact you through the platform. This helps keep your Gumtree experience safe and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.